Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we have a plan, clean, and organize with me. So we are going to plan out for the month of March. I have a new system that I'm gonna do for the kids' craft stuff that's in the dining room, because when I redid the garage, it's kind of just a mess from that, and like I brought some stuff upstairs and then tried to do a different system, so now there's like 3 different things hanging out in my dining room. So that is high on my priority list. We have just some basic cleaning to do. We're getting ready for school right now, so the kids are actually emptying the dishwasher as we speak. So we are going to just do some basic cleaning and maintenance around the house, some laundry. That's about it. I already made the bed and did that. So I can't believe we're already in March. I've done these videos for I think like 6 months now, and it's crazy. I can't believe, I feel like I just did February. Obviously February because it's a short month, but we emptying the dishwasher? Good job, guys. Oh, that's a different kind of cup. I know it looks the same, but it's different. So we will be changing this out today. And then this was the mess I was talking about. So I have a really tall one of these. So I'm gonna put everything in one of those, and then I am going to label it so that way they can have. So I'm going to label everything so that way it's organized and the kids can read what it's supposed to be in. I have a label maker, so I'm going to find like marker and hopefully find a little marker and stickers and whatever else. So that's my plan for this mess, because this has been sitting here for almost a week. And then I had a plant. I got a new one and I just moved him. I had him here, but it just looked too big, so I moved him over here, and I think it looks really nice there. It's a lavender plant, and I love plants. I have 2 on my fireplace. That big wreath is not staying there. I just brought it down from the attic yesterday, so I just wanted a place to hang it because it kept falling and breaking pieces off. And then I have this huge snake plant who is beautiful, who he needs a cleaning. He's dirty and dusty, but we should name our plants. Yeah. So I am going to get Austin off to school. Layton is here with me today. So when I get back, we will do all the cleaning, planning, and organizing. All right, so we are back home. I forgot we had a Target order to pick up, so I'll just share with you the quick little few things that I picked up that I did not want to get at BJ's yesterday. So I filmed a day in the life video yesterday, so you will see that, and I did the BJ's haul in there, but this was just a few things that I wanted to get. So no need to comment on that. It's pretty self-explanatory. We got some more melatonin. My husband takes this, but I think I'm gonna start taking it because I've been getting up at 4 a.m. every day. I'm bringing some food to a friend who is not feeling well, so I just got some of these to bring to her. I got an eyebrow pencil. I got some enchilada sauce, 2 of those. I got the mild. Last time I got medium and it was a little bit too spicy. I mean, I liked it, but everyone kind of thought it was a little spicy. So I got the kids some of this cinnamon applesauce, 2 mac and cheese. I'm gonna make buffalo dip for one of the meals I'm bringing to a friend. So I just grabbed her own bag of chips, and I grabbed one for us. And I grabbed some cheese, some Mexican style cheese, 2 mozzarellas, some sour cream for the buff dip, and also some pizza sauce and some crust. So I'm gonna get this all put away, and then we are going to deal with this calendar. Well, while I was putting away some cereal, I see that this needs some serious attention. So we will do this quickly and get that organized, as well as the craft cart.
so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. How come the stars come to shine when it's dark? From so far away, show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night? And what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder.
So that is it for this video. We have our new calendar up. I got a new chalk marker, so it looks really pretty and organized. So we are ready for the month. We also got some organizing done. I showed you guys the pantry, just did a quick little overhaul of that. And then as you saw, Layton and I organized this. We labeled everything. So in here is all of the coloring, crayons, markers. There's chalk, which I'm gonna put that to the side there. There's crayons in here, pens, coloring pencils. And here is all stickers. Here is just paper. So there's like colored paper, there's books that just have paper in them, things like that. And there's all like those little foam crafts. We have all sorts of different like holiday ones, but then there's just little baggies of them in there. And then these are all books, so these are like workbooks and coloring books. And then down here we have painting things. I found a whole thing of Halloween stuff that we never did, but there's all paintbrushes and like wooden things to paint and paint by numbers. And then down here is all of their Play-Doh. So hopefully with the stickers that will keep it organized and a little less messy, but who knows. It's always worth a try. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am so excited. I cannot believe it is March and it is getting really nice here. I'm gonna bring you out on my deck, but I live in Massachusetts and the last few days have been like mid 40s, almost 50s, and it's beautiful out. The sun is shining. It's just beautiful out. So, the dog loves to be on the deck. She likes to sit like right here in the sun. I am excited to put our patio furniture out because it's like my favorite place to be in the spring and summer is sitting out on this back deck on our deck furniture. I love it. It's my favorite. So Layton and I are going to go have lunch. I am going to go edit. I have a ton of editing to do. I have a ton of new videos coming for you guys. So I hope you subscribe and consider hanging out here with me and all of my friends here on my channel. I do lots of organizing, cleaning, planning videos, all that good stuff with some motherhood mixed in. So I hope you guys consider subscribing. I like breathed in the wrong way. So I will see you guys next time.